So meanwhile, we will go through this activity. So this activity is basically troubleshooting the creation of EC2 instance. You see the steps here. What we need to do, launch EC2 instance by using CLI. Okay. After launching, there is another instance we need to troubleshoot using CLI. Is this clear? Both things are using CLI. I'm not making.
So we have to start.
Sorry.
Start that activity now.
So connecting to the CLI instance, there is one instance already. You can connect. You can connect using instance connect, not through SSH. Configuring your CLI. So you know how to configure your CLI. Task 2 can be done. Task 3, creating an EC2 instance using CLI. So full of commands will be there. Full of commands will be there. So there is a create lamp script instance is there. .sh, line number 1, line number 7 to 11, line number 31 to line number 50, like that. You need to troubleshoot everything. And then cat create so and so. After that, you run the script. You run the script. So automatically, you will see again some errors. You need to fix that. You need to fix those errors. Then issue number 2. So once all these things are done, your instance will be done. Then afterwards, you can do this yum install, nmap. There is one tool which is there. So once this is done, you can see the functionality of the website. Notepad also, because there are a number of things which you should do that. So here, what do you need to do? Task number 1.
Connect CLI.
So connecting to the CLI, see, there is a CLI host. There is a CLI host. Go to your CLI EC2. Instances.
Sir, is there any difference between EC2 Instant Connect and Session Manager, sir?
See, EC2 Instance Connect is just like your SSH login. If you have SSH privileges, then only you can access.
Okay.
But Systems Manager, sorry, that System
Manager,
even if you don't have SSH privileges, also you can connect.
Okay, sir.
Right? So here, he is asking you to do either SSH, because this CLI host is there here. And if you see the networking also, port number 22 is there. Not networking, security. So port number 22 is there. It will work. So what you can do, you can say connect and say instance connect. See, this is as good as EC2 user and say connect. You're logging in physically. It's simple. Think that it is a putty session. Yeah, this is a putty session. But in instance connect, you manually change to the home directory. You will be in SSM, right?
Yeah.
But here you are in your home directory. Okay. So what you need to do? So you have completed task number 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now what you need to do? You need to AWS configure this one. So how do you do? So your access key and secret access key is available here. See this one. So what you need to do here? AWS configure. You know that previously we did this one. So it is asking for access key, just provide, paste it. Then it is asking for secret access key. This is the one. Ensure that you are copying well. And zone is US West -2. Right. And zone is US West -2. You can verify also whether it is US West -2 or not by testing by seeing your instances. This is Oregon, right? Your instance is there in Oregon.
Yes, sir.
US West -2. Paste. Oh, sorry. And output format is JSON. Yeah, this is done now. This is done. The task number 2 should also be done. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic.
Just 1 minute. Sir.
Yeah, you have to be. If you have done that lab, you would have done this one easily. Otherwise, problems will be there. Okay. So this is anyway recordings also I'm going to share because this is a lengthy lab, I tell you, and it requires high skill also. So observe the script details. So there is a script here. There is a script. Just run these commands. It will be there in your what we call as create lamp instance SH to so and so backup. He's asking you to create a backup copy. Just do that. Right. Just do that. So here when you say two copies will be there. .sh copy is there, backup copy is there. Is this clear till now?
Yes, sir.
So this is a create lamp instance v2.sh script. Just open that using vi create lamp instances -v2.sh script vi. You see this is the script file. He is explaining you now each and everything vi after doing. Line number 1. This is declaration of bin bash. You all know that. This is a shell script. So now next line number 7 to 11. 7 to 11. This is the instance size set to T3 small. So this is the date. This is echo running instance.sh. This is all only general. So here from this one 7, you can also ask for C number 7 to 11. You can see that this is the one. Okay. So instance type is T3 small. $instance type. Instance type is T3 small. This has been declared. Okay. And you are defining as echo profile. So now get into this next 13, 14. Looking up, not 13, 14. So 16th one. What does it do? It gets the VPC ID. This is the script. From 16th onwards to 29. 29. The other day we run this particular one and $VPC ID, we got it. Same thing here, while so and so, this is the script. So it will come back. If so and so $VPC, then break. So 16 to 29. You can see this particular one up to 29. So the $VPC will be there here. $VPC 28. So if anyone is not able to understand, ask me. Till now, okay?
Sir, how to run that command to get the number of lines, sir?
So didn't you practice VA editor properly?
It's sir.
VA editor properly?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, can someone tell me? Tell him.
Insert.
How to get the line numbers?
Sinu.
Huh? Yeah.
Sinu, sir.
See
C number. SENU.
Yeah. Uday Kiran has said. Anyone else? I think Basha, you need to practice well. If you are not practiced Linux,
Sure.
then this question you are asking. CNU and C no, I already mentioned that. You have to practice very well. Is this clear, Basha?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Otherwise, you will be left over behind because you asked a very basic question. And that is not only Basha. Basha has expressed his view, but there are a number of people who doesn't want to talk also. Practice, practice, practice. Don't waste time. So in that column prompt, if you say SENU, C number, you will get that. You will get that. Otherwise, you cannot analyze the script. And I mentioned the importance of Linux also. So this 16 to 29 is basically defining about.
Sir.
Yeah, defining about
VPC.
VPC. Okay. So go to line number 31 to 55. This is about your CLI instance. You see this 31. Scroll down, get down, because I don't know whether you are able to see the cursor or not. So you see 31. 31, you see this one, this is the VPC. You have defined filters. See, this is how you get the subnet ID. He has given in colored also in the giving hash. So with this one, you get this $subnet ID. So the next one, get the key pair ID, $key, which is using as, I think this is work key, right? Region, key name, $key ID, key pair. Okay. And this is your AMI ID. So AMI, he has already given Amazon-AMI-HVM-x86-64 GP6, something like that, image ID. And you see from 77, cafe instance ID, region is dollar region, dollar profile, and so on and so on. You see that, like that, from 57 to 63. From 122 till the bottom, the script is new security group for ports 22 and 82 open. Yeah. You see this, the ports are getting opened here. So deleting the existing instance, this is all. It includes many things along with the ports also. Check for the existing cafe security group, cafe SG. So scroll down. So cafe SG has all the ports. So yes, up to 122. Create a security group and capture. This is the one. Yeah, open the ports in the security group. That is port number 220000. Okay. And also you see port 8080 is there. 8080 is there. 0000. Not 80, 8080 is there. This is also similar to that. And you see still more. EC2 instance, creating an EC2 instance. Yeah. Abstract instance ID. So you'll get dollar instance ID at the bottom. Scroll down. The long script, this one. So 205. So I just explored the script contents up to 168, 188, 200. So try to run the script. Try to run the script. This is the one. We didn't make any changes. We did not make any changes. We just understood about the script. Is this clear? Task number 3, 3.1. Now 3.2. Run the script. Is this clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because all of you agree to do. That is the reason why I'm thinking that everyone is more attentive today.
Yes, sir.
And I'm also thinking that you, from today onwards, at least you will be more serious. Okay. So just run the script. Just run the script. We didn't make any changes. He didn't ask you to make any changes also. Yes. Is it running? So instance type is T3 small, default, looking up for the account values. Meanwhile, you can also see here, is there any new instance getting created?
Also.
As of now, no. Let us see. Looking up for the account values. So what does the script fails? He mentions the script fails and exists without successfully completing. This behavior is expected. Is this clear? Okay. Invalid AMI ID, not found. So AMI is not found. Did all of you get the same error?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So we try to do all the other things, but when it comes to the AMI ID is missing. So what should do? Troubleshoot 1. So it has a AMI not found when calling. Tips to resolve. Locate the line in the script that led to this error. Does anything look incorrect in the script? Was the correct region used to run this instances command? So what is the region?
US West 2.
US West 2. So what is there in the script? What is there in the script? Once again, go to VI. Okay. Where is the region? See, did you identify line number 160?
US East 1.
So what we should do now? What we should do now? So this is, you need to change it to US West -2. It is configured for US East -1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what region we need to do? West -2. So this is one thing which you need to do now. So this is in line number 160. Line number 160, you see. So bring to 160, edit that. This is how you troubleshoot. West -2, right? Okay, exactly change that only. What else has been given? This is 160. I did that. So make a change, save. So that part has been changed. After identifying the issue, update the script to fix the issue and run the script again. If you are prompted to delete any existing security groups or the instances created, then the script ran the previously, always reply with Y. After you fix the issue, run instances command succeeds, then public IPv4 will be assigned. So we have tried to fix the issue. So what we are going to do? We are trying to
Run the script.
run the script once again. So I can run this script. I hope everyone is following. Let me try. Yeah. Yeah, ask. So if any time, if it is asking for some override or something, you can say yes, right? So that's what is the answer. So after identifying, you say reply with Y, capital Y. Yeah. Would you like to delete it? What you should say? Yes. So it will create a new security group. So it has already given AMID. It has now recognized AMID, VPC, region, all the things it has recognized now. Earlier VPC, AMID was not recognized. Now opening the port, security group. So creating an instance. Yes, it has launched. Waiting for the public IP. It has launched.
Can you tell the line number where the number to change it?
I told you already 160 line. Okay. Okay. You see this one? If you are done successfully, you should see one instance running. Cafe server. Did you?
Sir, when the warning came, we have to press Y, sir.
Sorry? Once again.
I got warning, sir. Found existing security group with name. Would
Capital
you
Y.
like?
Capital Y.
Okay.
Why?
Yes, sir.
So the first part of issue 1 has been solved. You can see EC2 has been launched. Yes or no? I mean, cafe server has been launched. This is the one, cafe server. Did you see everyone? This is your public IP also, 34 dot. So what did he say? He said that navigate to the public IP of the newly created instance and try to say Control V. Did you see website? No. In my case, no. The run instance command succeeded and a public IP was assigned. However, you cannot load to the test phase. Now, connect to the new instance using instance connect. Okay, which the method you have used. See, this is the instance, right? Sorry, not this one. New instance, cafe server. Try to connect using instance connect. The other server. So for your information, what I do, I keep this one at the extreme end or somewhere because I do not want to get confused. This is the instance connect to the new instance because now I am troubleshooting the second part. There is no web server here. I need to do that. So I did connect. So he is asking you to troubleshoot. The web server runs on port number 80. Is it open? How to check whether from the CLI? You can very well easily look from the console. There is a tool called as Nmap. Okay. So first install this one. Right. So installation is done. So what you can do, Nmap, you can check the public IP. The public IP is there, 34 dot something is there, right? So remove this public IP. Port scanning. This is a networking important tool. Port scanning. What are all the open ports which are there? So here, this is your public IP, 34 dot, and try to paste it. Try that. So you will see whether port number 80 is open or not. It's trying
No,
to
sir.
scan. It's trying to scan. Let us see. So you only see HTTP port number 22 are open. I mean HTTP proxy 8080 port is open, not 80. Not 80. 22 and 8080 are open. Okay. Okay. Is this clear? So what do you need to do? Go to your EC2 instance. Here, go to your EC2 instance, open the port. Select this cafe server, security, and inbound rules. Edit this one. Edit inbound rules. Add rule. You know how to add rule, right? So add this HTTP anywhere and say save. Yeah. Try to refresh now. You're able to access web server now. So add the port number 80. That's all. We did nmap on this. We did nmap. I know it requires a little bit more patience. Also, I tell you. So we did nothing. We did an installation of nmap here. You see this one sudo install nmap. And later what did we do? We run this command nmap-pn the cafe web server. Then you saw the ports, only 22 and 8080 are open, not 80. Not 80. So what did we do? We troubleshooted that. We have gone to the cafe server and then go to the security group, edit inbound rules and added port number 80. Done? Anyone? And in task number 4, we already did this. The website is displayed. Website is displayed. You can just say public IP. In the browser, navigate to the address. Okay. Public IP address. If you are successful, the home page of the cafe website, you can say /cafe. In this page, hello/cafe. You should see your website. Okay. And you can submit your orders also. So you go to menu. If you are able to submit everything, then that's fine. Okay, I'll take chocolate, maybe 2. I'll take something, maybe hot chocolate, another one, maybe 2, 1, or a coffee 1. So my bill is $8. Submit the order. If you are able to see your order history, fantastic. If you are able to see your order history, your database is also perfectly running. Your database is also perfectly running. That completes even your task number 4. Only challenges are there between resolve issue 1 and issue 2. Yeah, anyone, even if you ask me any question, I can help you. So if you have done so, you can end lab also. If anyone is having questions, do ask me. This end lab. So this is how we need to troubleshoot. That is the reason why I said that this requires elevated skills. But now you understood, right? Now you understood, right? A real-time scenario. I'm not expecting in the upfront for all of you. But if you practice well, you will reach above expectations. You will reach above expectations. So you need to have, now you understood, right, why Linux knowledge is required? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I always say that. Please do that. Please learn these topics. No doubt you may be knowing certain things. You know certain things, but practice. The more you practice, the good the results will get. So that is 173 lab, and we will start auto scaling. Okay, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.